So in this video, I want to show you how to turn the followers only mode off in your channel. That way anybody can come in and chat. A lot of new streamers have followers only mode on. I don't know why, but I guess they assume that it's going to help push people to follow them to chat in. In all reality, what it does is the opposite. It helps push people away from your channel compared to actually sticking around and seeing what you got before they throw that like button. If I can't drop an emoji in your chat to let you know I'm there, or something of the sort, it's kind of hard for me to hit that follow button. Now it's a common mistake. So if you have it on currently, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up your creator dashboard. If you're on PC, you just easily click your picture here. You can go down to creator dashboard, then we're going to go down to settings, moderation, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of our page here, where you can't scroll anymore. You see our little bars all the way at the bottom. You got a couple couple options above that, but you want to make sure this followers only mode is set to the off position, because when enabled, viewers must follow you for a specified amount of time before they are allowed to post messages in your channel. Here on the mobile side of things, what you're going to do is you're going to click your picture in the top left, click on your channel, click on view dashboard. Once you get here, you're going to look at the three dots in the bottom right next to your chat. Click that, open up followers only, and make sure it's set to off.